Hello guys, today I'm going to unboxing this Seiko marathon clock which I bought a few days ago. The type is QHL083Y, so the Y means yellow, I think. I bought this one through Xianyu at 300 RMB, which equal to $40 approximately. I think it's a pretty good bargain. The reason why I bought this one is because 2-3 years ago I bought another mini one. Okay, that's this one. So it's very good quality, and apparently this Seiko marathon clock is very iconic, and also it's suitable for put on the table for clock or time checking, etc. So as I bought this one, so we can do a comparison before I unboxing. Here is a original box side by side. The designing of the box is almost the same. The only difference is size. Okay. Here is the buckle and the type. The battery, the battery included. At the back is mentioned the main functions, clock, alarm functions is beep, snooze, and light, automatic alarm stop functions for 5 minutes, stopwatch and a countdown timer, almost the same, and also the calendar stand include. The Seiko logo. So let's check out. Okay, for this clock is a brand new one. The seller bought from Japan. So you can see the Japanese language characters showing on the back. The package wrapped by the shrinkage bag. There's another bag. Oh, as you can see, there's one screw here. Okay. Oh, it's almost the same as the mini one. The mini one has it's a DC adapter. Here it's 5 volts, and almost the same. There's a mode button, plus and minus, and this one is on and off for, I think it's for lamp reset. Almost same. There's a hawk place wall or hang on the wall as your request. This clock also used 2 size AA battery, alkaline battery. So, oops. Here's a paperwork for instruction manual. Is a different languages. Dutch version, 中文版本, and this one is okay. This is the warranty card. It shows the retailer is a Japanese retailer. Okay. We have a battery included, Super Power Ace Maxiel, the same as this one. So let's check it out. Okay, I think the housing is bright yellow, and okay, the material is ABS, same as this one. The type is a QHL083Y. I don't know if the manufacturer location is made in which country. Let's see this one. Oh, okay. For the small one, it's made in China, but I see the small one's box is mentioned is made in Thailand, so this is very funny. I don't know, maybe the final assembly is made in Thailand, the packaging is made in Thailand, but the watch itself is made in China. Who knows? I don't know. Okay, let's remove this label before use. Okay. Ooh. Well, for what I can see, it's more clear to read the time. This is the main reason, big digital number, and okay, it's how to say. The LED is true, obviously, and compare with this one. Okay, let me check the lens. The lens is 17.5 centimeter, and the height is about 15 centimeter, and the thickness is around 6.5 cm. So it's pretty big for a table clock. I think it's steady one, and it's pretty good. Let's check the LED light. Ooh, it's yellow light compared to this one. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.